If you sell anything online, you know that now is the time to start planning for Cyber Monday, including your on-site promotions. You need something that makes it quick and easy to create a Cyber Monday banner for your website and target where, when, and for whom it appears. You need OptinMonster. In this video, I'll show you just how quick and easy it is. But first, if you haven't done so already, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Now, let's get started. With your subscription to OptinMonster, you get access to a huge library of templates that you can use to get up and running in a matter of minutes. For this video, you'll need a pro or higher subscription to get access to the particular campaign I'll be using today. Be sure to use the link and discount code I've provided in the description for an extra discount on your purchase. After you've set up your account, head over to the campaign dashboard and click Create New Campaign. Next, select the Templates option. Since we want to create a Cyber Monday banner, select the floating bar campaign type. Next, select the latest filter and then search for Cyber. You have several templates to choose from. You can see a preview of each by clicking the Preview button. I like this one, so I'll select Use Template. Type a descriptive name for the campaign and select your site from the list if it isn't already selected. Then, click Start Building. The great thing about OptinMonster's templates is that the design is set. All you have to do is edit the copy to match your brand and offer. Since this is a two-step opt-in, we'll start here on the Yes/No view. Now, if you wanted to skip this and just show the opt-in view to your visitors, you would need to select the Yes/No view option in the footer bar and then select Disable Yes/No view. Since two-step opt-ins have been proven to increase conversions, I'll leave it enabled. Next, since I've set up a Cyber Monday coupon code in my e-commerce store settings for an additional 10% off, I'll edit the copy here to match my offer. Now, this template also has a static countdown timer to add a sense of urgency. This means it's counting down to a specific date and time. If you wanted, you could switch this to a dynamic countdown, meaning that the campaign would be available to a visitor for a length of time you specify, starting with the moment they first see it. Since I want the campaign to only be available through the end of the day on Cyber Monday, I'll leave it set to static. And then set the end date and time to 11:59 p.m. on Cyber Monday in the visitor's local time zone. And I'll set the countdown end action to close the campaign. Alright, this looks good. Now I need to head over to the opt-in view and make the same changes to the copy and countdown timer. After I've done that, I'll need to go to the Success view and make the same changes to the countdown timer. Additionally, I'll need to add the coupon code here and in the Click to Copy button. Alright, one more thing. By default, this banner will appear at the bottom of the page. If you want, you can have this banner appear at the top of the page by navigating to Settings and under Floating Bar Settings, enabling Load Floating Bar at the top of page. I'm happy with this banner appearing at the bottom of the page, so I'll leave it as is. Okay, let's head over to the display rules to set up when this campaign appears on my site. By default, this campaign is set to display on any page of the site when a visitor has been on the page for at least 5 seconds. But you can make this campaign appear on any page of your site by simply removing the Time on Page rule. Or you could target specific pages on your site with the Page Targeting rule. There are countless display rule configurations you can create, and you can create simple or complex rule sets based on your specific needs. For complete details, check out our documentation. Since we're collecting email addresses with this campaign, I'll need to connect it to my email service provider. To do so, head over to Integrations. I'll click Add New Integration and select my provider from the menu. OptinMonster integrates with over 30 of the most popular email providers on the market. Many of these integrations simply require entering an API key that can easily be found on your email provider's dashboard. Check out our documentation for complete details on your specific integration. But what if you don't have a provider, or you want to create a backup list for added security? For that, you can select Monster Leads from the menu. This will store your contacts in your OptinMonster account. Many of our customers connect with their email service provider and Monster Leads at the same time. This sends their leads directly to their email provider so they can automate their email marketing strategy. But they also have a backup list stored with OptinMonster just in case. And finally, it's time to publish the campaign. When you create a new campaign, it's paused by default and will not appear on your site. The Publish page gives you the opportunity to do a final review of all the details of your campaign before you publish it to your site. Here, we also have the ability to schedule our campaign so we can set it and forget it. One less thing to worry about during this busy time of year. To set the start and end date, select Schedule. Set the start and end dates you want to show the campaign on your site. The time defaults to midnight of the visitor's time zone for both dates, but you can change that by specifying a specific time and time zone if needed. Since I want to start showing this campaign at midnight on Cyber Monday and end at 11:59 that same day, I'll select those dates and times. Alright, when you finish setting the schedule for your campaign, the last step is to publish it. You'll want to ensure that you do this. If you don't publish your campaign, it won't show, even though you've set a schedule. And that's it. Don't forget to use the link and discount code I've provided in the description. Thanks for watching.